Romane had a brother named Kagoro. Unlike Romane, Kagoro believed that only fear could make a ruler strong. He hid in the shadows, his eyes burning with jealousy and anger, convinced that power came from hurting others. One dark, stormy night, heavy rain fell and thunder roared. In a moment of cruelty, Kagoro attacked Romane on the cliff's edge. Romane tried to stop him because he could never bear to hurt his own brother. In the chaos, a flash of lightning startled Romane, and he tumbled down into the deep valley. Taking advantage of the situation, Kagoro claimed the throne. Under his rule, Sunrock changed. The grassy plains turned brown, rivers dried up, and the joy of the pride slowly vanished.